Hello students, welcome again. So in the last class we already discussed about the postulates, theorems and how to prove that using the Boolean postulates. So now I have to tell something about that operator and for operator precedence I can call. What is this operator precedence here? It tells us that when and which operator should be evaluated first and when or which operator should be evaluated least. That is what operator precedence here. It means that the highest precedence or highest priority for the expression to solve is parenthesis. First precedence is for parenthesis. Okay, wherever the parenthesis comes first, you have to evaluate that first, and after this we have to, if any not is there for complementation, I can write not. Complementation is there in the expression, then you have to do the complementation after the parenthesis. Okay, and later if any ANDing operation is there, then do that operation after the not operation. The last one is OR. Say for example, if the expression does not consist of any parenthesis not, directly you can do and or, like that, right? As you observed in the last class, we already proved the De Morgan's theorem. One theorem I have proved and one I left to you, and you have to prove that and submit to me, or else that is very important theorem, you have to prove and write it in your notes also, right? See, the theorem was like this: x plus y whole prime is equals to x prime dot y prime. Am I right? If you observe how we solve this with the help of the truth table, right? So first we written x, we written y, and what we did, x plus y, and later x plus y prime and x prime y prime, x prime dot y prime. If you observe here, what we did first we evaluated this expression whatever present in the parenthesis. Am I right? So that first precedence is always parenthesis. We did not complement it first and later we opened brackets. No, first we written the expression x plus y here, that is only within the bracket whatever present here, x plus y, right? So I written x plus y, later we made this complement, x plus y complement, correct, and you leave this, and later and operation is last, right? Third precedence is for and operation, so we taken complement of x and y, and later we performed and operation between x prime and y prime, so that parenthesis is the highest priority or highest precedent, after that not, after that and, after that or. This is all about operator precedence. Okay, that is fine. Now we'll take one example to solve, or uh, we already studied the Boolean postulates and theorems. Now we can use those theorems into any expression to solve simplified Boolean expression. X plus y into x plus z, we have to prove this into x plus yz. How to prove this? Can you solve this? I will show you and I will give some words to you. You have to do that. Okay. Solution for this is, I write x plus y, x plus z here. Okay. Just you need to multiply all the terms to that other term, that is x into x. I write x plus x into z, you can write plus x into y, or y into x, you can write x into y plus y into z. Okay, now you can see x dot x means what? As you know, x dot x is equals to x itself, so I write x dot x as x plus x dot z as it is plus, here if you observe x dot y and y dot z, if you want you can write, or I can directly take common here, I write here x dot y plus y dot z. That is fine. Now if you observe x plus x plus x dot z, I can take x as a common, right? X, so 1 left here plus z left here, z plus xy plus yz. Now you can write 1 plus z, or z plus 1 is always 1, right? So that I will write x dot 1, or you can ignore that also, or you can simply write x itself, or anything is multiplied by the 1 itself is 1, it's 1 itself, right? If you want, you can write x dot 1, or just you can leave that, that is also fine. Here x plus, I write xy plus yz right here. Okay, you can again take the common as x 1 plus y plus yz. If you observe, x 1 plus y is again 1, so I write x plus yz as it is, I will write here. So that is our result, x plus y into x plus z equals to x plus yz. Alright, this is how we are going to prove the, or we are going to solve the Boolean expression. So you can write like, hence x plus y into x plus z equals to x plus yz is proved. Okay, this is how we are going to prove or solve the Boolean expressions. One more expression I will write, and you have to solve y equals to xy plus y z plus y bar z. Now you have to simplify this. There is no given particular result, so you can simplify this. How to simplify this? You can observe here, I can write xy as it is plus, here we have the common term, that is, I can take z as a common, right? If I take z as a common, I left with y plus y bar, correct? So write xy plus z, y plus y bar is what? Y plus y bar is equals to 1, right? So I will write z as it is. This is the simplest expression which I have taken. You cannot further simplify that, so this is, it is okay. Now take one more example to solve y equals to a plus a bar b. We can write prime or complement like this also. Instead of x, I have taken a, right? So to solve this, you just simply do, is there any possibility to solve this expression? You check now. Can I write this into, okay, first term only a is there, so I can multiply first term by 1 plus b. It means 1, right? So a into 1 plus b plus a bar b. Okay, now you can apply this to distributive law. Why I multiply 1 plus b? 1 plus b is nothing but 1, so I made it 1, right? So here one variable was missing, so that I have multiplied that. Okay, distributive law states that a plus ab, or you can directly multiply and you will get a into 1, you will get a, plus a into b, you will get ab plus a bar b, as it is you write. Okay, now you observe this expression. Now here in this ab and this a bar b, this is a bar b. Okay, this is a bar b. We can take b as a common, right? So I will write a plus b. Here a plus a bar is left, and we already know that a plus a bar is equals to 1. So I will write this into a plus b. This is the result. So y equals to a plus b. This is how we are going to solve the Boolean expression. Okay, fine. I will give you some example to you to solve those Boolean expressions. Mm, as a homework, which I will give you x plus no, xy prime plus xy plus xz plus yz. This is the homework to you. You can solve this. Okay. Fine. Thank you.